Aphorism. A terse, memorable expression of a universal truth. Examples. Wives are young men's mistresses, companions for middle age, and old men's nurses. Bacon, of marriage and single life. Men fear death, as children fear to go in the dark. That it is impossible to love and to be wise. To err is human, to forgive divine. Authority forgets a dying king. Tennyson, Morte Arthur. The use of aphorism reflects the range of an author's experience and adds universality to the text in which it is used. Aphorism is different from a proverb is an anonymous expression of a general truth, while an aphorism is a truth taken out of one's personal experience. Proverbs are traditional, but aphorisms are individual. Man proposes, God disposes, is an example of proverb. Aphorism is also different from epigrams.